Surveillance video from outside a Grand Blanc hotel shows former Michigan State basketball star Mateen Cleaves and the woman who accused him of sexual assault. Video shows a naked Cleaves pulling a woman who is also naked back into the hotel room, motioning to a driver inside a white van. Cleaves' defense team said in court he was simply trying to prevent her from running off without any clothes on. Cleaves' attorney releasing a statement following the release of the video saying, quote, "The whole video, along with all the evidence, was presented in a court of law. The jury found Mr. Cleaves not guilty of all charges. The complaint had her day in court. The criminal matter is closed. Not guilty remains not guilty," end quote.
What's going on, you guys? AJ Tucker here with AJ Self-Defense. And I just saw this Mateen Cleaves case. I didn't hear anything about it up until now. And then they released the video after he was found innocent. And I gotta tell you, man, I'm entitled to my opinion. I know it's innocent till proven guilty, but I mean, this looks pretty bad right here. And if you, I mean, just looking at him dragging her back into the hotel, butt naked twice, absolutely insane. And another thing, if you look at that van right there, right inside, you see a dude just sitting in there chilling. Why didn't he get out and do anything and stop it? I'm left speechless right here. But the thing is, I started doing some more research on this case, and the case was stacked against this young lady from the start.
I just don't believe there is enough probable cause for it to go over on false imprisonment.
Are you for real? I mean, are we seeing the same thing? I mean, look at the girl. She's pulling back. She's obviously trying to get away. She does not want to go where he is taking her. And then she gets away. She runs again, and then he grabs her.
I'm on hydrocodone and Motrin, and she danced all around that. And she danced all around, whether that was her in the car at the front of the hotel. Well, you can assume it's me. No, I don't recognize the purse. No, I don't remember.
When we teach self-defense, we want to avoid these kind of situations, but a part of the class, we do tell the ladies that if something does happen to you, if you do get raped, the thing you have to do is immediately go get a rape kit. And don't worry if you're intoxicated. Don't worry if there's drugs in your system. Get the rape kit, and they are great. They're not going to judge you. They're not going to try to silence you. You're not going to get arrested or anything like that. What this judge did goes against all that stuff. Look at this lady right here in the picture. She doesn't have a mouth. How many women out there remain silent because they are afraid of the consequences? They are afraid of being humiliated, embarrassed, and just disregarded and discarded, especially when it's against a powerful person with money.
Well, you can assume it's me. No, I don't recognize the purse. No, I don't remember.
Now, the alleged victim testified over 2 days about the situation. The judge is referring there to the back end of her testimony where she would not say that she was the person sitting in Mateen Cleaves' vehicle outside the hotel on the video that was shown from the night of the assault. The judge also said that it was the young woman who initiated the evening with Cleaves and voluntarily left with Cleaves and made no effort to get herself out of that situation.
Yeah, she made no effort to get herself out of the situation. I mean, I guess they're just dancing right there. She didn't try to get away or get out of the situation. Yeah. And he also mentioned that the judge said that it was the young woman who initiated the contact. She is the one that went with him. It's a 1980s, 70s, or 60s mentality where, hey, you went with them. So, I mean, he can't force you because you went with him. That makes no sense to me. That is absolute. I almost said something. I had to catch myself. But if you go with a guy and he forces himself on you, she's saying that can't happen, that can't be. I don't think she's ever heard the term date rape. I mean, the girl pretty much just gave up, according to what she said. And her boyfriend saw her after, and she was visibly shaken. She didn't want to be touched or anything. They were all heavily intoxicated, but just because you're intoxicated, you may have something in your system, does not give other people the right to rape you, and it does not give anybody else the right to silence you. So that's all I got for today, man. I'm out.